wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Putri Agnia Maulani. I'm from Medical Laboratory Technology Stikes Muhammadiyah Ciamis, and I want to tell about the types of personal protective equipment.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Ria Yulistia. I'm from Medical Laboratory Technology Stikes Muhammadiyah Ciamis, and I will discuss about how to wear personal protective equipment.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce. My name is Satria. I'm from Medical Laboratory Technology Stikes Muhammadiyah Ciamis. I want to tell about how to remove personal protective equipment.
Personal protective equipment is a set of equipment that serves to protect use from certain danger or health problem, such as viral or bacterial infection. When used properly, personal protective equipment is able to enter virus or bacteria into the body through the mouth, nose, eyes, or skin.
One of the groups most at risk of infectious diseases, including COVID-19, are medical officers, doctors, nurses, as well as other medical personnel who are often associated with COVID-19 patients.
Therefore, medical personnel who are in frequent contact with COVID-19 patients need to use PPE according to standards so that they are protected from coronavirus infection.
The following are some types of PPE that are generally used by medical personnel in handling ODP or people in monitoring, PDP or patient under surveillance, suspect patient or positive suspected or have proven positive COVID-19. Mask. There are two types of masks that are commonly used as PPE in handling COVID-19 patients or people suspected of being infected with the coronavirus, namely surgical mask and 95 mask. Eye protection. Eye protection is made of transparent plastic material which serves to protect the eyes from exposure to viruses that can enter the body through the eyes. Face shield. Face shields are also made of clear and transparent plastic. This type of PPE can cover all areas of the face, from the forehead to the chin. Face shield is able to protect the face area from splash of saliva or phlegm when COVID-19 patient cough or sneeze. Medical gown. Medical gowns are used to protect the arms and areas of the body from exposure to the virus while medical personnel perform procedures for handling and treating patients. Medical gloves. Medical gloves were used to protect the hands of the office while treating patients with COVID-19. These gloves are ideally not easy to tear and safe to use. Head cover. Head coverings protect the head and hair of medical personnel. Headgear must be made of material that can hold liquid, not easily torn, and the side fit on the head. This type of PPE is generally disposable. Protective shoes. Protective shoes are used to protect the feet of medical personnel from exposure to COVID-19 patients' body fluids. Protective shoes are generally made of rubber or waterproof fabric and must cover the entire leg to the calf.
Use of personal protective equipment. Before using personal protective equipment, officers remove all jewelry worn, including watches. Long-haired officer must dye their hair. The glasses officer must attach the glasses so they don't fall. 1. Wash your hand with soap and dry and use a hand sanitizer. 2. Wear a head covering or hair. 3. Wear an N95 mask. Make sure all edges adjust the shape of the face so that there are no gaps. 4. Wear a medical gown. 5. Wear a second layer of protective clothing made from waterproof. 6. Wear medical gloves made from latex. 7. Wear a thread protective clothing made from waterproof. 8. Using the boot cover, tie a strap around the boot cover. Try not to touch the floor hand. This takes should be done in a sitting position. 9. Wear a trim hoodie. Make sure the ears and neck are covered and no hair comes out. 10. Wear protective glasses or goggles. 11. Wear a face shield. 12. Wear outer rubber gloves that usually have longer trims. Fold the sleeve of the gloves so that it covers the sleeve of the protective shirt. Evaluate the completeness and suitability of the use of personal protective equipment.
Technique ways to remove personal protective equipment. Based on WHO guidelines, the procedure for removing personal protective equipment in the following sequence is: remove the face shield, store it in the space provided. 2. Do hand washing and hygiene while still using gloves. 3. Open the rubber glove. 4. Do hand washing. Hand washing is done after wrestling, one type of attribute of personal protective equipment. 5. Remove the eye protection and surgical mask. Six. Do hand washing with antiseptic. 7. Remove the boot cover. 8. Do hand washing with antiseptic. Remove the overall shirt, store in the space provided. Remove the second coverall shirt. Do hand washing with antiseptics. Take off the medical gown. Wash your hand with an antiseptic. Remove the 95 mask and head shutter. Do hand washing and remove gloves made from latex. Wash hands again with antiseptics.